So here's the best three that we got. 17 pulls today. So on E85, 6 pounds of boost, 6.18 pounds. This thing made 712. Okay. At 15 pounds, it made 1,090. And then a little over 18.5 pounds made almost 1,200. That's a bone stock motor, 2018 GT, Hellion twin turbo kit, 62mm precision turbos, Xtreme-DI high pressure pump, Fore Innovations fuel system. Everything else on the car is bone stock. Look at it, pulling all the way almost to 8,000. I mean, it's ridiculous. Look at that flat power curve, flat boost curve. What more do you want? Pretty excited today. A lot of work gone into this thing, trying to get some good results for you guys, and take this thing to the track, see what it's gonna do. Stock Michelin's 19s, nice premium GT. Let's take it to the track.